If you're nearing retirement, there's a question lurking in the back of your mind that can feel a little terrifying once you finally face it. What do I actually do with my 401k money when I retire? You spent 40 or 50 years saving, watching the balance grow, hoping it will take care of you one day. But the moment you actually retire, everything flips. And if you don't understand your options, you could make a mistake that triggers huge taxes, unnecessary stress, or a total loss of financial control. Maybe you're stepping away from work completely, or maybe you're easing into part-time hours. But one thing is certain, your life is changing. The good news? You only have 3 real options. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how each one works. Plus, I'll give you access to a free, simple ebook that breaks down the pros and cons so you can choose confidently. Many people are surprised to learn this. You are not required to move your money when you retire. You can leave it right where it is, and many people do. They're usually unsure about what to do next. They don't need the income yet, or their 401k investment options are inexpensive and well designed. As long as the company plan stays open and your balance is above $5,000, you can leave your savings there for as long as you want. There's no forced withdrawal until the IRS requires minimum distributions later on in life. And that's a topic for a whole separate video. This option is simple, it's familiar, but it also limits your control, and that matters as you enter retirement. Your second option is the most dangerous one. You can take the money out in cash. It's simple, but here's the downside. Most 401ks are pre-tax, so the moment the money hits your bank account, the IRS treats the entire thing as income. If you save $500,000, $700,000, $1 million or more, all of that counts as income in that one tax year. And that can push you into the highest tax brackets, trigger a huge tax bill, and if you're under 59.5, add a 10% penalty on top of it. There are very few situations where this makes sense. If you've ever done this or are considering it, tell me why down in the comments, because I'd love to hear the unique circumstances where it does work. The third option, and the one many retirees and advisors prefer, is what's called a rollover. You roll over your 401k into a rollover IRA, a traditional IRA, or an individual retirement account as it's called. It gives you far more control than a workplace plan because it exists solely for you. A 401k plan is designed with the interests of the company owners and all of the employees in mind. Once your money is moved into an IRA, it can be invested in a way that fits your goals, your lifestyle, your risk tolerance, and your timeline. This is a huge shift from the one-size-fits-all structure of a company plan. When you roll over the money and the check is payable to the IRA custodian, there are no taxes. Your funds simply continue growing tax deferred. And if you have a Roth 401k, you can roll that portion over into a Roth IRA and keep its tax-free nature. But the 5-year rules may still apply depending on your age. If you're under 59.5, the Roth 401k distribution is non-qualified. Your contributions roll over as contributions, meaning they're always accessible to you, and your earnings come over as earnings, which you must wait to access tax-free until your 5-year clock is satisfied. And if you're over 59.5 and your Roth 401k has been open for at least 5 years, then the rollover is fully qualified and the entire balance rolls into the Roth IRA as essentially one big contribution, meaning you can access all of it tax-free immediately. Here's the real power of an IRA. You can create your own retirement paycheck. You can set up withdrawals monthly, twice a month, every 2 weeks, whatever fits your lifestyle. And from a tax perspective, IRAs give you far more flexibility to control how much taxable income that you recognize each year. Flexibility equals tax savings equals more years of income. So the bottom line is, when retirement hits, you have 3 paths. Leave your money in your old 401k, cash it out, which is usually not recommended, or roll it into an IRA and take full control. None of these options are right or wrong on their own. What matters is choosing the one that matches your income needs, your tax situation, and how much control that you want over your money. To make that easier, I created a free ebook that breaks down each option in a simple side-by-side comparison. You'll find the link in the description. Just enter your name and email, confirm your email so we block those pesky bots, and it's yours. And if you own a business and want personalized planning, visit celestialwm.com. Click Start here and schedule an introductory call. And if you're not ready to talk yet, check out my free 35-minute training inside the Resource Center. And watch this video next to supercharge your net worth.